Hi guys, welcome back to another Crimson Desert tutorial. In this video I'm going to show you the easiest method I think to get the gold bar recipe. There are several different recipes for the gold bar that you can find in the game. It's not unique, but the easiest one that I have found is just here north of the map here, in just basically north of Silverwolf Mountain. I'll show you where I am on the map in regards to Herdnand. So from Herdnand town, if you just go straight north via Palion, you're going to come to a river here, and basically there is a abyss nexus here that you can unlock. Really simple. If I just line up where I am on the map here, basically where the left hand side of the U is for mountain in Silverwolf Mountain there, if you just mash up where I am on the map, all you need to do to pick this up is come to this area here in the town, simply ride up here. There's going to be a couple of NPCs that will try and fight you occasionally, but even then you don't have to pay attention to them, just ride straight across the bridge. Didn't even aggro anybody then. Follow the road round. And basically what you're looking for is the first hut here in front of us with all of these pots outside. We're simply going to go ahead and dismount, come up to the door here. There is a table behind it, and if you just force punch the door, that will then allow it to open. So you can see that was there basically blocking the door. Then you can just go ahead and force punch it. And then if you come to the back here, all you need to do is go ahead and jump up here. And then this table here, this shelving here, if you have a look, all we're going to need to do is go ahead and whack it once. And then once we sheath our weapon, will allow us to then loot the alchemy for the formula for gold bars. So we can go ahead and study that, and there we go. We've now learnt the recipe for gold bar in Crimson Desert. Really hope this no nonsense tutorial helps. Please do drop a like and subscribe if it did, and I'll see you in the next tutorial. Thanks for watching.